So here is an interesting problem. I have an electrical outlet. It's hooked up to a light switch, but all I've got is this wire that's hanging out of the wall. Looks to me like a really bad hazard for somebody, and it looks to me like it could be upgraded. Notice this is 220. It has 4 lines. I just need the black, white, and the ground. So you can see that's how it usually is. And then the way I usually strip the wire is just by going about like that. Crimp it one time, crimp it another time, and then pull real hard. Pull real hard without pushing down pressure on the jaws. You just want the right diameter to be present, and then the force to go that way, the force to go out. And then same exact thing. Now if I just put that up against my pliers, put the wire up against my pliers, it's not quite enough, so I gauge. Instead of going there, I go a little bit past there, and that's usually perfect. And like I said, I usually go, sometimes I go like 1, 2, 3, but usually 2 bites is all you need on that. Ground is ready, white is ready, and then black. I can strip these right here. That's going to make it real easier when I get back out there. First check and make sure you're getting the right voltage, or actually 0 voltage, and that's on 200 volts AC. And yeah, so it's reading almost 0 when I do that. So I know that the voltage is off. Could put a shield behind here and that would protect the siding, but I'm thinking of that while I'm doing it, not before I'm doing it, so that's a problem. I'm pulling on it, that's stretching it, allowing me to see where I can do a better job cutting. So there we go. I like to strip the wires with this tool. About something like 1/2 inch in. Take off about 1/2 inch of insulation. Yeah, but I find out that's pretty fast. And this just became extra.